Hi, my name is Erling. I just wanted to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about me. I am a 30-year veteran of real estate investing, specifically 20 of those being in mobile home investing. Mobile home investing started out as a way to be able to basically fund my education. The original path and direction I was going in was pre-med and med school, and then after that, my master's ended up being in counseling, and basically mobile homes ended up funding a good portion of those things. Go figure that here I am sitting in the wonderful, beautiful Grand Caymans, sitting currently on 7 Mile Beach, and it's all due to mobile home investing. It's interesting how life makes different paths for us, and sometimes the things that end up being a means to another end up being your main means. So very grateful for the opportunity that I have had, even with the scoffing and discouragement and ridicule and stigmas that were associated with this industry, that I ended up persevering and ended up seeing the amazing opportunities and actually became addicted to it as far as the returns I got. And that actually has, mobile home investing actually has funded multiple trips to this beautiful island, probably one of my most favorite places, paradise on earth, if you will. And also many other opportunities that I've been able to experience in my life. If you're looking for a change, you're looking to do something different, you're looking to have more opportunities and to be able to reach your goals or change the industry that you hate, we'd love to be able to share this opportunity with you and help you understand how best to be able to reap the benefits of the industry. It is an amazing industry. It does have stigmas, and that's the reason why there's not a lot of people in it. There's low barriers to entry, specifically when you're flipping mobile homes within other people's parks on leased land. And that's how I've started, and that's actually our main bread and butter, and has made us a lot of money and continues to make us a lot of money over the last 20 years. If you're looking for an opportunity and you're willing to learn, you're willing to put in the work, we'd love to be able to share our systems, our techniques, our strategies, and most importantly, our experience, years and years of nationwide experience. I have traveled nationwide speaking to multiple groups of people throughout basically the different continents, well over 20 years, and helped other people to be able to change their life too. Would love to be able to offer that opportunity to you and be able to help you in your prosperity to have a different future.